Welcome. My name is Harrison Hochman. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Sparrow, and today I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of the Sparrow platform. So, if you're a student coming from Chapman University or a parent and you're looking for a private student loan, you're likely going to be directed to a web page that looks like this. To find the Sparrow link, just hover your cursor over Sparrow and click. And once you do so, click this big red button to be navigated over to the Chapman branded but Sparrow powered web page. Once you get here, we'll welcome you and your family. And to proceed, click continue. Once you do so, we'll introduce a section about FAQs regarding private student loans. Following this FAQ section, we'll have a second FAQ about credit at Broad. And once you're ready to begin the process on the Sparrow platform, just click the continue to Sparrow button and we'll bring you to the first step of the pre-qualification request form. So as a first step, we're going to ask for your estimate loan size. Now it's an estimate, it does not need to be exact. Following that, we'll ask for your citizenship status. You do not have to be a US citizen in order to pre-qualify on the platform. Following citizenship status, we'll ask for your monthly housing type as well as your monthly housing expense. As a fourth step, we're going to ask for any annual pre-tax income. Now, you do not have to have pre-tax income in order to qualify on the platform. And as a second to last step, we're going to ask for your school, your degree type that you're pursuing, as well as the concentration or major that you're going after, your estimate graduation date, and your enrollment status. And all of this is just sample data for the sake of a demonstration. And as the last step, we're going to ask for your date of birth and social security number. The reason that we ask for SSN is when you click to pre-qualify on the platform, what we're now going to do is go to the bureau, pull your soft credit report. Now, it does not affect your credit score, and attempt to pre-qualify you with lenders on the platform. That process is now done. So now that you've pre-qualified with lenders on the platform, we'll click personalize my offers to ensure that the repayment plans that you decide to pursue are affordable for you. So first step, we say, hey, do you want to make any payments during school on a monthly basis? And we'll explain the pros and cons of doing so on the right-hand side. So let's say yes, but make them small. And next, we ask approximately on a monthly basis after you graduate, what can you afford? As an example, let's say that I can afford between $60 and $120 per month. And finally, do I have a preference between fixed and variable interest rates? As an example, let's just say fixed. So what Sparrow has now done for me is for my undergraduate loan of $8,200, it's found 51 real pre-qualified offers from lenders across the nation. And of those 51 pre-qualified rates, there are 10 that have small monthly payments during school, moderate monthly payments after graduation, and a fixed rate, the preference that I indicated to Sparrow. And those 10 are plotted on this page that we call For You. I can see those if I just scroll down and hover my cursor over each independent rate. So in the first case, I can see this first pre-qualified rate is a 6.9%, making $0 payments in school and $180 payments after I graduate on a 5-year term. If I want to see more information, I click to expand and I can see the lender, the total interest expense, the estimate, total interest expense, the type of interest rate, payment plan, any fees, cosigner release, discount, and borrower benefits. Now, if I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison, comparing the 5-year term to say a 10-year term, what I can do is star that first offer, I'll star that second offer, scroll all the way up, and Sparrow calculates the estimate cost for me. So in the first case of that 5-year term where I'm paying the loan back across 5 years, the estimate total cost of this $8,200 loan is going to be about $10.7K. Whereas if I paid it back over 10 years on a different rate, it would cost me about $13,000. Now, if I hover my cursor over the left-hand side graph, this is what we call a loan amortization chart. A loan amortization chart shows payments over time. So I can see that in this case, if I hover my cursor over a point in time, like say, March 31st, 2033, when I'm 43 years old, here is how much I'll have paid on this loan at this point in time, how much I'll have remaining, what my average monthly payment will be at this point in time, and how much time I'll have remaining until I'm debt-free. So let's say that I'm like, yep, these look good, but I'm considering adding a cosigner. What you'll do is scroll down to the right-hand side here and click Add Cosigner. Now we have 2 ways of cosigner inclusion. You can either include your cosigner here and now if they're with you, or you can invite them and they'll be included asynchronously at a later time when they go through the process themselves. So to wrap it all up, if I want to go forward with, say, this 5-year pre-qualified rate from Nelnet Bank, I'll scroll down, I'll click into it, hit Explore, And then upon clicking Get Approved with Nelnet Bank and the button Take Me There, Sparrow will redirect me to Nelnet in order to finish the borrowing journey. So I'll upload my documentation, I'll get my loan certified, and my funds will be dispersed. If you ever have any questions, you can always reach out to the Sparrow team down here in the right-hand side. We have an in-app chat feature that allows us to interact directly with you throughout the form process. And of course, you can always reach out to us at support@sparrowfi.com. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the demonstration.